Now let's start with the client, because I will tell you the client is the most important person on the platform. Because even if you will not go and post your skill set or your expertise in any platform wherein there are no clients or there are no jobs. So the client is actually the kingmaker, so to speak, on the platform. They are in charge. They are the ones who are the most important type of users on the platform. So let's start with them. How does the client think about Upwork, or how do they think about this platform? No, the first concern that the client has is reliability. All right. So the clients, they are concerned about reliability. And what does reliability means for the clients in the mind of the client? Firstly, they are concerned for a new client on the platform. They are firstly concerned that whether the platform itself, Upwork, is reliable. Second, whether the people, they are reliable, whether the freelancers on the platform, whether they are reliable. Now, what does this mean? This is really important. You need to understand that that's one of the things that the clients are concerned about. And why should you know about this? Why should you care about the client psychology? Now, when you are writing proposals on the platform, if you understand the psychology of the client, you know exactly what to tell them so that you can stand out. That's why it is important you pay attention to what I'm going to explain. So the first thing is reliability. So the client is already concerned whether the platform itself is reliable. All right. So whether the platform is going to protect the clients, because they are going to spend money. Most of these clients that are coming to Upwork, these are clients that have startup businesses. If you understand what a startup business is, mostly startup businesses have limited cash. They don't have too much money. They are not like these big or large companies that have like a reservoir of money, a bag of money to spend. But startups, they have limited cash, and mostly this cash is coming from the pockets of the clients. They don't have investors. They are actually taking their own money to invest. So imagine you taking your money to invest. One of the things that you will be worried about is reliability. Reliability of the platform. Now, Upwork is reliable, so it protects the client. It protects both the client and the freelancer, and all of us know that. So instantly, the moment the clients create an account, they are being told that you are protected by Upwork's terms and services. We have the hourly rate which provides protection. So the client becomes confident that the platform is reliable. Now, the next concern that the client has is the freelancers on this platform reliable. All right. And the client does not have any way to measure it unless they interact with you. So now the client has to trust you before they can even reach out to you for the first time. They have to trust you. And this is where you as a freelancer need to know that the way you organize and optimize your profile, your digital presence on the platform has to be trustworthy. There are certain things that you need to do, and which we are going to talk about in the next couple of days. I'll keep emphasizing those things that will make you stand out. So for the clients to invite you or to look at your proposal and be happy to reach out to you, they must first of all trust that you are reliable. And trust me, guys, Upwork has created the platform in such a way that you as the freelancer can actually provide this information to the client, and the client can trust you instantly. For instance, feedback on the platform. When other clients provide feedback for you, that is one way that shows reliability and trust. Number two, testimonials is another way for you to show that you are trustworthy. Number three, the portfolio that you create. So creating a very strong and solid presence on the platform is very important in impacting the psychology of the client. So reliability. All right. Another part of the reliability aspect is how reliable are you as a person, as a professional on the platform? Do you respond promptly to messages? Do you deliver when you say you are going to deliver something? Are you professional enough? Do you have the expertise that you said you have? Are you competent?